Next is dietitian Joel Ferrin with a healthy and delicious recipe.
Vanilla and blueberry go like salt and pepper. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vanilla and blueberry muffin. The key ingredient is Ensure vanilla powder, adding protein, calcium and 27 vitamins and minerals, giving your body strength and energy. The addition of these key nutrients can help support the health of your bones, muscles and immune system. For those who want a nutritional boost, these muffins offer just that. Simply combine 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of Ensure vanilla powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder in a large mixing bowl. Then whisk 1 egg, 1 cup of natural yogurt, half a cup of milk and half a cup of extra virgin olive oil in another bowl until smooth. Pour into the dry mixture and stir until the batter is just blended. Be careful not to overwork that batter. Finally, gently fold in the blueberries. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and grease 12 muffin cups or fill each cup with a liner. Fill each cup about 3/4 full and bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, remove the muffins from the oven and allow to cool on a wire rack. If you want to try my vanilla and blueberry muffins at home, then make your way down to your local PharmaSave, discount drugstores or Chemist King Pharmacy and get yourself some Ensure vanilla powder.